Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today we're gonna make something special and I want to jump right into it. So now let's get started. These are the supplies for our first DIY and those would be two beautiful lemon shadow boxes. First we're gonna take this real blue paint and we're gonna paint our small frames, giving it a good coat of that blue paint all around it. But don't worry about giving it such a beautiful coat because we will put some royal blue on top of that. I'm just covering the black. I gave it two coats and now I'm adding my royal blue on top. It's really all bottle that I have, but just find some royal blue and that will work. And now I'm adding to the back part some of that mesh ribbon you can find at Walmart, and that will give it like the illusion of some chicken wire because I couldn't find chicken wire. That's what I wanted, but pandemic issues. And now we're gonna add lots of hot glue, and then after we secure everything, I'm gonna use my spatula because I will not get burned. We're gonna cut it and we are gonna add lots of more hot glue to the back and continue adding our mesh ribbon until we cover all the back of our frame. Just like that. And use the spatula so you don't get burned. That's an awesome trick. And continue covering until you have everything covered up. Now we're going to trim everything that's hanging to the sides, as you can see me doing here. We cut everything up and straighten and add a little bit of hot glue where needed. And now we're going to take a lemon and we're going to split it in half just by using a box cutter like I'm doing here, and just be really careful with your hands and cut it in half just like that. And now we're gonna take our lemons and we're gonna glue them to that mesh. Put something in the back so you don't get a lot of glue on your table. So just add those leaves on the top. And that's it. After you glue them, you have a beautiful lemon shadow box. Look at that, so cute. Cute. This is part of the Coastal and Summer DIY Challenge hosted by the beautiful Heidi from Heidi Sonboul DIY. And I'm gonna leave you in the description box down below the link for her channel. She has awesome content and I love everything she posts. I'm gonna also leave you there the link for the playlist for this challenge. Go there and say hi to everyone. These are our supplies for our second DIY, and that will be a beautiful lemon crate. For our crate, what we're going to do is we're going to take two of the pieces of stir stick of 4 inches and the wooden pieces of 4 inches that we have, and we're going to glue them together like that. You will see me struggling a little bit because I want to get the better pieces to the front. And then after we glue them, we're going to add some staples to that so we can make it a lot sturdier. We add our staples to the sides, just like that. And then we're going to add that stir stick, that's the one that I told you that it's desired length, to the center. And now we're going to start adding our pieces of the front. And for that, we're going to use our glue, lots of glue, and staples. One staple on each side. Like that. And we add the other staple. And we're going to repeat that on the bottom part and on the back part. Now to add our bottom, we are going to add some of that glue to the 4-inch wider sticks, and then we're going to add a staple to the corner. And now we have a beautiful box, and we're going to add the dowel on the top. And I'm just measuring, and I cut that. And I'm adding a little bit of glue to each side, and then I'm going to staple one of the sides first in a crisscross kind of pattern. Let me show you a little bit better. Like that, we're going to do that. And now we're going to start painting it. And for that, I'm going to use antique wax. You can use whatever you want. Stain, antique wax, watered down paint, whatever your heart desires. And we're going to paint that completely. And then, when we finish painting it, we're going to finish everything. Just paint everything, inside and out. Every corner, every nook and cranny, everything. Cover that with your desired paint. And then when we finish that, we're going to add something a little bit cute to the front. And that's those letters, lemons. We're going to spell lemons. Those are the wooden letters from Walmart. And I couldn't find a normal O, so I'm going to use that O with that thingy that seems like a Q. But we're going to add that using it with that thingy to the bottom. So we're going to paint them in yellow. And now I'm going to hot glue them to the crate. You can spell whatever word you want. I used lemons because I love lemons. And you add your hot glue to your letters, and that will be it. You will have a beautiful lemons crate. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, we have a beautiful crate over here that says lemons. And we have the cute shadow boxes. Those will be in the wall as some wall art. But I wanted to show you. Over here we have the other one. That's how it looks. It's beautiful. I love that. And I love the crate also. And remember, in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to Heidi's channel. Go there and check everything out because I know you will find lots of inspiration in this playlist. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.